What are you doing?
I'm gonna do tricks on trampoline.
You're gonna do tricks on the trampoline?
Yeah.
On what?
On my snowboard.
Okay, let's go get it. And what else do you need?
I'm gonna snowboard boots.
Snowboard boots?
Snowboard.
That one's a dirt bike boot. That's a snowboard boot. Okay, put this one back. Whoopsies. Okay, you got both your boots?
Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa! Okay, let's put your boots on.
Yeah. Whoa.
That's the wrong foot. You got it? Whoa! You put your snowboard on.
I'm gonna sit on my bum.
Sit on your bum.
Yeah.
And you put your feet in.
Yeah.
And then you do up the straps. Nice and tight. Good job. Good job. Okay, show me how you get up. How you flip it over and get up. No, no. You did it! Good job. See a 360. Whoa! Let's see 360. Nice. Oh! Whoa! What was that? Let's see 360. Whoa! Okay, turn around to get up. Good boy. Show mommy 360. Nice. Good try. You're gonna do a grab? Board grab. Let's see it. Wow! Nice one. Whoa! What happened? Looks like a flare?
Yeah.
Not quite. Are you ready to go bike riding?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can
Okay.
you take these off?
Well, I'm going to teach you how. Turn it around so you're on your booty. There you go. Okay, scooch back here. No, no. What are you doing? Okay, now turn around. See this part? Here. You grab it and you pull it. Now try that side by yourself. Good boy. Now your feet come out. Nice. Almost got it. There.
You can jump now.
You're gonna jump? Pardon me?
Maybe 360 on it.
360?
Yeah.
Whoa! What's that?
I don't know. That.
You're trying to do one-footed can?
No. One foot it can step over.
Oh, one-footed cans like that.
360.
360. Nice. Bar spin. Whoa, good one.
I'm gonna do tire touch.
Tire grab?
Yeah. I'm gonna do.
Nice. Oh! Didn't land it.
It's just empty. Just back. What am I supposed to be?
Whoa.
I tried to back.
Don't toss your bike. Stay on it. No, don't toss. Hey!
Yeah, I tossed it.
You tossed it. Don't toss it.
Yeah, I tossed it.
No, I don't want you to toss it.
Watch me toss it.
Okay.
I think I tossed it.
What? Kashius. Oh!
I swear.
Oh.
Wait. I swear. Wait, sweet.
It landed like that.
And so now we're.
Can you try a suey?
What's the week?
Yeah, you know Suey. Whoa. Nice, that was a bit better.
What do you want me to do?
Now can you try your techno?
Burton.
Nice bar spin.
I have race.
You're gonna have a race?
Yeah.
On what?
I'm a dirt bike.
Who are you racing?
My mom and my dad and my sister.
And your dad and your sisters?
Mhm.
Okay.